皆さん、こんにちは。緑豆です。今日は Today, let's learn the Japanese particle de in 2 minutes. So what does de do? De marks the place of action or means used. So first example, action at somewhere, some place. For example, at school. 学校で do something. And another example is action by something. That explains how you do it. You're going to somewhere by bus, for example. So, バスで going somewhere. So, here's example number 1, means and transportation. And so, way to execute with something transportation like a by bicycle, by car, by bus, by taxi, something like that. So, for example, here is a by bicycle, 自転車で execute something to go to school. So, 自転車で学校に行きます。And second example, で is tools or instrument to execute or perform with something. So, for example, 箸でご飯を食べます。That means I eat rice with chopsticks. 箸でご飯を食べます。So, show what tools you use to execute something. Third example is place of action. So use で to say where you do something. For example, 学校で勉強します。That means I study at school. Okay. And study is 勉強します。Okay. And at school is school. 学校 and at is で。学校で勉強します。Since we learned that today, you better know how to say the praise in Japanese. So I made the free table for you, vocabulary table, to download. So go to the description and find the link and download it for free. Hey, have you had a hard time to concentrate while you study? Did you know supplement could help you? If so, you should try Goli, the Ashwagandha sweet gummy, before you study. For more details, there is a special link on the description. You will get 10 to 42% off from the retail price. Hit the link and study smart. Mini quiz. What is in the blank? 電車行きます。A に B で C を Answer is B で電車で行きます。Alright, that's all for today. Hope this video helps you. If you have any comment, question, please leave it and comment. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. またね